baby dolls. Hello, handsome gentlemen. This is Sashamoniquetalks. Hello, my friends. So you notice I've been putting out a lot of videos. I don't know where I got the strength from, y'all. I was sick for a long time. I'm still a little sick, but I'm coming around. So I decided to start, making my videos because I was gonna be gone for a while. So I'm glad to be back. Okay. If you have sent me a message on my Gmail and I didn't respond, I was very busy and very sick. So you may get a late response, okay? So I'm here with my empties, y'all. The first empty is something that I really, really love. And it's the Eco Collection Scrub Daddy. Now, I brought one months ago, and then like maybe about 3 weeks ago, I brought this one, and I really like it. It works well. You have a little stuff on your plates or whatever. If you have something in your pans. Now, if your pans have dried on gunk or grease or whatever, you may have to use something else. But for the most part, this works well with, doing your pots and pans. And it's hard until you put it in the warm water and then it starts to soften up. I really like this a lot. And I think I paid $5.99 each time for it. So that was a decent price. I usually get, what I used to get, those scrubbies with the, what do they call it? Aluminum? Yeah, I know what I mean. It comes in a ball and it's silver. I like those too. And I like those for tough messes. But that Scrub Daddy is really good because it's gentle on your plates and stuff. Okay, I got the Hero Scented Stripes Flap Tie Lavender bags. Well, this one, it was okay. You get 40 large kitchen bags, and it has a slight lavender smell to it, and I like it. But you know what, y'all? I say since the pandemic, they're selling a lot of garbage bags that's really, really thin, and I hate that. I really hate it because there's nothing worse than taking your garbage out and the bag fall all apart. But that was okay. Here I got one of my favorites, and it is the Great Value Strong Flex Tall Kitchen Drawstring Bags, Citrus Burst. You get 40 bags and it's 13 gallons. I get this from Walmart. It's excellent, and I will keep buying it. I wish they had the same exact bag with the drawstring and the smaller bags, like for the bathroom, the bedroom. Here's one of my favorites. I like Ariel. This is the one with Downy. It makes your clothes smell so good. You don't have to use fabric softener, to have extra fragrance. This is enough, unless you just want to, This is really good. And you don't have to use that much. I love this. I have an old reliable Ultra Palmolive. Y'all know how this is. And y'all know I was having a lot of trouble with my hand, especially on this hand. And when I started getting just mainly the same kind of dish detergents, it started getting a little better. Now here I have the Ajax. Some people say they don't like Ajax because it's cheap. I like Ajax. It works well. They always have it for a good price. They have the big one, I think for $2 something at Walmart. You know, the nice size one. And so I will always buy this. Now this is something that I brought since I moved. And I was just trying it out because I couldn't believe it. They saying it lasts 9 years. This is the Great Value Soft White LED High Lumen Medium Base Non-Dimmable Shatter Resistant. And this is the light bulbs last 9 years. Whew. I love this. I love this. I love this. It's real bright. You know, sometimes you get an LED light and they say that it's bright and it's not that bright. These are good. They are expensive. But if they're going to last long, if they're going to last 9 years, it's more than worth it. Because I have, you know, the lights in the ceiling. That's hard for me to change. And so I don't want to get on the ladder too often. Doctor even told me, don't be standing on no ladder because you may get dizzy and fall down. So these are perfect. Eventually, I'm going to have them all over my apartment. I'd rather pay the money one time. And I don't know if I believe that it lasts 9 years, but if it lasts 4 or 5, that's still good. I have another reliable product that I buy, and this is the mouthwash, antiseptic mouthwash, anti-gingivitis, anti-plaque, kills germs that cause plaque, gingivitis, and bad breath. I get this from CVS for a good price. CVS be having a lot of coupons and extra, what they call extra bucks, and it really helps me to, you know, y'all know I always have a stash, but sometimes I pick up stuff because it's inexpensive and it's good brands, and you can get that at CVS. So if you see this one, get it. Let me go on. So I have a diffuser, and I like to get these oils for it. And in my area, these are like $2.50. Would you believe at the mall they want you to pay $4.99 for this? So I'm not getting that at the mall. If you live somewhere like we're not supposed to smoke here and stuff like that, I don't smoke anyway. Best to have like a diffuser. You just put water in it. You pour a little bit of that oil in it and turn it on. And when it starts getting low, it'll shut off. Or you could just shut it off. And I like those a lot. And, you know, you don't have to put that much of these in there. And it just smells so good. This is the cherry almond. And this is the sandalwood forest. That's really, really strong. So I like to get those. Okay. I'm going to show you the body wash that I like. This is the Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus Shea Lavender Oil Carite Holy D Lavender. Okay. I like this a lot. I get this from CVS too. It's all of Olay brand. Well, Olay brand. And it smells so good. Just the one, yeah, this is the one with the ribbons. I like that. Here's another one of my favorite body washes. This is the Nivea Moisturizing Body Wash with Nourishing Serum, enriched with a unique blend of plant-derived oils, essential skin lipids, and vitamins. I love this, I love this, I love this. So in my area, they have a store called Value Zone, and they have some of these bigger than this one, and it's very reasonable. And every time I go to that store, I end up buying some of these because it's a name brand, it smells good, and it works. Sometimes you don't have to spend a lot of money on good brands. Just shop around different places. And when you see a good deal, buy more than one. This is the Complete Home. This is the last one I had. And I got this from Walgreens. I like it a lot. It's good. I don't think it's for HE machines. I don't think it's for HE. It doesn't say anything about HE. But it's a great detergent. And if you have a regular washing machine, pick some of this up. I think it's $1.50. I haven't been to Walgreens lately, so I didn't get any more. Now this is the 7th generation free and clear laundry detergent. This was good on stains, but it's usually expensive, and of course it don't have no smell, so it gives the clothes a clean smell. I think it's some detergents better than this for this price. I do. But would I buy it again if they put it on sale? Of course, I'll buy it. They're free and clear, so if I don't like to pay too much for it. I have the Tide Double Power. It's $1.99. It's the jasmine and rose that I get from the stores in my area. New with stain magnets. That sounds like it's pretty good, and it is. That rose smell is so pretty. Oh, that smells good. If you see this, pick it up. A lot of you say that you can't find these detergents in your area. But you see, they are really cheap and $1.99. And it's Thai and just other countries. I love this. It says hand wash and machine wash. Gives outstanding whiteness, removes everyday stains easily, leaves clothes fresh and bright. And that is the truth. Okay, the last product I have, I've been showing it to you, I think the last 2, maybe 3 Empties videos. And that's because I keep buying it. This is the Himalaya since 1930 Complete Care Toothpaste. This comes with 2 in the box. It's really good. It's strong. It doesn't feel cheap, taste cheap, or anything like that. Only difference is like a brownish color, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This is the one I used up. See, it's like a beigey, brownish color. Okay. And some people may not like that, but I'm like, as long as it works, I'm good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this Empties. I'm glad to be back. And I told somebody up here, oh, Mo and Slim Shell, I think I told that I probably will be scheduling a lot of my videos. That way I can put more out and schedule them for different days, or do 1 or 2 a week, or something like that. Because I still have to take care of my health issues. Okay? But I am still glad to be back. Have a wonderful day and try to stay cool. We got a heat wave. Ooh, I hate the heat. I don't like to be hot, y'all. I hate it. So I'll be back soon.